Hi everyone, kamusta? My name is Shayo. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, let's talk about kung paano tayo makakapag-spot ng magandang deal sa Alibaba. Right? If you're considering this 2024 to make it your year para makapag-start ng sarili ninyong business, particularly selling sa mga online platforms, I hope you consider watching this video and maybe taking in some notes para rin makatulong sa inyo and may reference kayo in the future. So continue watching as I share my experience kung paano ako nakakabenta ng magagandang items sa online platforms na available para sa mga buyers natin. And hopefully, if you find this video interesting, please consider subscribing to my channel. Maraming salamat! Alright, so the first off is really looking for that higher quality product. Make sure guys that when you look for a product, you get the higher quality product comparing it to the most products na nabebenta online. Some of you will have hesitation saying na mahihirapan akong magbenta ng parehong product pero mas mahal yung presyo ko. Now guys, marami talaga dyan yung mga buyers natin na naghahanap ng mga murang products. One platform or another platform or another platform. Yung mga tatlong main online selling platforms natin sa ngayon. Guys, lahat yan nagbebenta lamang ng mga pinakamura or nagbebenta lamang ng pababaan ng prices. At para sa atin na nagsisimula or para sa atin na mga maliliit na mga business owners, mahirap makapag-compete, di ba? So make sure na yung product na kukunin ninyo from Alibaba is something na talagang maganda yung quality para sa iyo at sa tingin mo para sa mga buyers mo in the future. Here's one example of a typical t-shirt na nakita ko sa Alibaba. Recently, I was looking for good quality shirts kasi halos lahat ng nakikita ko sa mga online platforms talagang medyo maninipis yung mga damit. At ang hindi pa maganda doon, yung 250 mo, sayang lang rin after a few washes. So binigyan ako ng damit from Christmas and yung quality ng damit na yon after kong unang labhan, talagang hindi na siya ganun kaganda. So make sure na usisain ninyo, kausapin ninyo yung supplier na makikita ninyo sa Alibaba, ask for pictures and ask for more pictures, no? Talagang tanungin ninyo sila ng mga details na kailangan ninyong malaman at sa tingin ninyo tatanungin din ng mga future buyers ninyo. Second is huwag kang lalaban sa pababaan ng price. Ngayon guys, with BIR asking for taxes sa mga online sellers, yeah, siguro meron kang 1,000 sold items, no? And mamaya meron kang tax na kailangan mong bayaran. Kailangan mo mag-register ng business mo, kailangan mo kumuha ng business permit, kailangan mo mag-issue ng official receipt. And unfortunately, hindi to madaling takasan. Guys, make sure na gawin niyo yung tama in terms of paying your taxes and registering your business as well. So hindi natin kailangang bumaba sa mga prices kapag kunwari gusto nating lumaban yung mga items natin sa mga online platforms. Marami sa mga online platforms ngayon ang pababaan ng prices, hindi yon yung tamang playing field para sa atin. Marami pa tayong platform na pwedeng paggamitan at yun yung i-discuss ko sa inyo mamaya. Before I even share my third experience, I hope you consider subscribing to my channel. This year, 2024, ang goal ko talaga is to reach my 10,000 subscribers. Right now, nasa 7,000 plus lang tayo. So guys, if ever na kaya ninyong isupport ang channel ko, please consider subscribing and share it to a loved one. Maraming salamat. Now on the last one is to really diversify your online presence. Guys, when I started my business nung mga enamel pins at yun yung mga Aspen before, no, tatlong design lamang yun and a lot of my friends are saying na hindi ako bibili for that specific price point kasi masyado siyang mahal for that item. Well, naggulat na lang rin ako kasi hindi naman ako nag-start sa Shopee, Lazada, or TikTok. It was even more than 5 years back and nag-start lamang ako with Instagram. So, yung Instagram, maraming mga customers who are willing to pay for good quality items. So, aside from Instagram, of course, meron tayong Shopify. You can even build your own website na napakadali na lang gawin para sa ngayon. I know na it's a lot of work, but definitely those hard work will really pay off dahil makakabenta kayo ng mga items, premium price para sa mga premium customers ninyo. Make sure guys na yung presence ninyo is diversified. Ibig sabihin hindi lamang sa mga usual channels makikita yung mga items niyo, kundi marami pang ibang ways para makita yung mga items ninyo. I hope these 3 ideas gave you some insights na pwede ninyo mapag-usapan if you want to bounce off your ideas. Kung gusto ninyong pag-usapan kung paano kayo makakapag-start ng sarili ninyong business in your own time, you can definitely send me a message sa aking Facebook page. I conduct one-on-one coaching. Of course, this is not for free. So there you have it. Maraming salamat. I hope this video really helps you out. Thank you guys. I'll see you sa susunod na clip. Bye-bye.